Hello guys, in this video, this short video today, I'm gonna show you how you can become a virtual babysitter online. So you don't have to be physically in the place, you don't have to be in United States currently, and you don't have to be in the same area with the parent who need a babysitter. But the job that you're gonna do, you will need only a good internet connection and you will need a laptop with camera conferencing because you will have to be virtual babysitting, chill, care through video conferencing. It is not something new. Maybe you used to hear about babysitting physically people who receive some babies, but for this one, you don't have to be there physically. Let me show you how this works. Parent books virtual babysitter. Parent just contact this website. Virtual babysitter send video conferencing dial in info. Family and virtual babysitter log into video conference. So what will happen? Parent can be in their job, they can be in their anywhere, but you will be the babysitter. You will have video conferencing with them, showing how their baby is going on and what they do, and you have an eye on every baby on the place so you can help these parents about the baby. So fourth step, virtual babysitter takes care of kids. Parent can focus on other things. So the parents can be in the same room, okay? They can be in the same house, but they don't have time to get an eye on the baby or to get control of the baby on the room. So they pay you as a virtual babysitter. You will have to make like video call conferencing, like you using Zoom, or you can use other platform that give video conferencing call. So you have an eye on the baby. When the parents just want to know how the baby is going on, so you let them know everything. It's like you have an eye, and the parents can focus on other things. So this is the fourth step. The fifth step: parents pay virtual babysitter through Vimo, Zelle, etc. So you will get paid when you do the job. So this is how you do it. So this website you see right here, connect babysitter but virtual babysitter. You don't have to be physically there. You will need a laptop, you will need a phone, an internet connection, excuse me, but they can pay you up to $16 per hour. Just making video conferencing, babysitting virtually. You don't have to be physically in the place. So when I mean you don't have to be physically, I mean it. You just have to have your laptop open, you have a video call open, and you get an eye on every baby in the place, or especially for the baby that you survey, the baby that you guard. It's like you guarding them virtually. You don't have to be there physically. So guys, I say you, this channel you see right here, it is about making money online. So I show you how you can make money. You don't have to be there physically, because now I know because of COVID you stay at home. So let me show you one thing. It's a win-win-win. The kids have fun, parents get a break, virtual babysitter earns money, all while social distancing. All while social distancing. So you can see, get started now. How to get started: search for a virtual babysitter if you are a parent, and you, if you want to become a virtual babysitter, you just have to apply as a virtual babysitter, and parents will pay you just to survey or to get an eye on their baby, just to keep an eye on their baby, and they can focus on other things. So guys, this video you see right here, when I find a new website, I just come with it on my channel. So if you find value out of this website, you see VB, you're gonna type vb.sharetribe.com, and you're gonna apply as a virtual babysitter. So guys, if you find value out of this video, please give us a like, a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment down below. let me know that you're gonna try this website. If you are at home, you have some time and you want to survey some baby, you want to make some video call conferencing, guys, this is the job for you. I know a lot of you in United States are out of job. I've been fired because of COVID-19. So take advantage of this website and start making money as a babysitter. It was your boy Vanel. Don't forget, if it is your first time to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.